Alright, so what we're doing right now is rust repair on the 74. I've created a lot of rust in this corner right here as the other side. I'm not too worried about it because once I get this done, it's going to be a little bit more better. So this is the script I cut along with two pieces right there, and the other side is down there, as you can see. And this is the original length that I cut from the body that's right there, and it's going to be right here. So I really don't need all the metal that's on here. So what I'm going to do is take that black marker and trim it. Well, I'm going to mark it to what I think is needed. And once I do that, I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to weld this to that, and this will be laying flat across this, and this is what my window will be sitting on. I'm gonna see what I can do with this without really having to cut it. I might can fiberglass it to strengthen it for the moment. If it don't work, we'll see. But yeah, so this here equals this, and this here equals this, and we're gonna put it all together and make it look like one again. So that's where we at right now. I didn't mean to finish my little template. There's a little gap, but I can push that forward because I got extra room on this, and then I can just strengthen this with some fiberglass to make it all solid again, so everything can come in place. So now I just gotta finish the process of taking this off, sanding this down or whatnot, till I can weld this to the body. But process is slow, but it's better than nothing. This ain't too bad, so I ain't want to cut this out. And plus I need these little slits right here so I can put my thing back in there. So we're gonna catch it back in and see what's going on. So this morning, what we got going on is I already made sure I fitted the glass to the trim to make sure everything fit clear and clean. And I already fiberglassed this section from this one to this side to fill in the gap in between. And right now, this is my rundle that I brushed on. Consisted of the bundle and the body filler with both of the hardeners right there, and that's the little brush that I use. And I'm going to tackle this part next, but what I'm going to do for that one, I'm going to use the short strand fiberglass, and I'm going to clean this off a little bit more, and I'm going to wipe that clean across there, and I'm gonna sand it down and everything should be good. But I just want to take a little pause for y'all can see what I got going on with the transformation of the rondo and dust and how it looks while it's still drying. I still got to do this small part. I didn't have enough, so I wanted to make sure I just do a little bit at a time to make sure it didn't hard up too fast on me, and I can really finesse the figuration of it, if I can say that. So we get back at y'all, see what's going on. Alright, so we got everything laid down. Just a little bit of dust from sanding to get a little spot, but that's why it looked like that. But that's how we looking. So now we just gotta smoothen that out. I ain't too much worried about the back end, but you know, that's the outside, so people gonna see this. That's gonna be covered, and this gonna be where the glass go over. But I'm gonna smoothen that out so I can get everything. Still gotta do a little bit more filling. I'll do that little small areas like that with a little bit of small body filler, but that's what it looked like.